Essential math skills in A-level biology with Dr. Biology. Hi everybody, this is Dr. Biology and I'm going to go through some essential math skills for A-level biology, and we're going to look at using summary statistics on a Casio Classwiz calculator. So we're going to be looking at how you can easily get a mean and more particularly a standard deviation using your calculator. So here we have a question: calculate the standard deviation of the weight gain of those with a normal and a high sugar diet. And you've got a series of data there with weight gain in grams between the normal diet and the sugar diet. Now usually you would need to work out manually the standard deviation. So there is the calculation. Now you can do that manually, but it's going to take you quite a while with that amount of data. So I'm suggesting don't use that. Use this. Let's use our Classwiz calculator. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is do menu setup, and you choose 6, which is statistics, and then you need 1 for the 1 dash variable, and then you'll get a series of a column basically. So let's just add that data. So I'll add the data, and I'm obviously going to speed it up for this section. You need to add the data really carefully. Okay, so when you're happy with all the data being in there, you then need to press the AC button, and it gives you statistics 1 dash variable, and then you need to choose option, and we're going to use 2, which is the 1 dash variable calc, and there we go. So there we have the top one. We have the mean, okay, which in this case is 115.75, and particularly is this figure here, which is the standard deviation, which in this case is 15.98. Okay, so for the second column, I'm just going to go menu, setup 6, and then choose 1 variable. Then I'm going to add this data. So again, I'm going to speed it up. Okay, so again, we choose, we choose AC, press AC. There you go, and then choose option, and then the 1 dash variable calc, which is 2, and there we go. So there is the answer. So we've got the mean of 155.5, and the standard deviation in this case is 19.51. Now obviously that's the standard deviation. It also does show the variance of the data, but it's also very useful to work out standard deviation so that you can do things like calculating a t-test. So a student's t-test will compare the means to see if there's any significant difference between them. In one of my next videos, I'm going to look at the t-test and use this calculation. Hope you found that useful. Please do subscribe. I'll see you soon.